Now let's make the best damn vegan pancakes you've ever had.
More carrots. Don't tear it.
What you want to do is get a cup of unbleached white flour. Now I'm just using regular flour. Throw it in the bowl. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now I'm going to use unsweetened plant-based milk. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. Otherwise, if you're using sweetened, you don't add sugar or add very little. Half a teaspoon sea salt or any salt. And half a teaspoon of baking soda. Now this part is optional. I am adding some nutritional yeast. It won't make a difference in the consistency, but I do like the extra nutritional value it gives to the pancakes. I'm using Ripple plant-based milk, unsweetened like I said, and we're going to add a cupful. Now Ripple is a bit thicker than regular plant-based milk, so you might want to add a little bit more, but let's play it by ear and see how the consistency comes out. I'm going to mix it in slowly at the beginning and mix it well. If you want a thinner pancake, then you add a little bit more. Now add about a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. You can use a mixer or a whisk or anything. I myself, I prefer to use a spoon. In case I get into clumps, I push it down and mash it. But to each his own. You want to mix it nice and slow. Don't get too aggressive. You want to hit the sides little by little in order to dissolve evenly. If you get too aggressive, it'll be harder to dissolve all the flour in the mixture. Now let's add about 2 teaspoons of oil, either coconut oil or any odorless oil you want to put. Unfortunately, all I have at the moment is vegetable oil, which that really means soy oil. See, now it's getting even. Pick it up better so you can see. I think it's getting a bit thicker than I want. This consistency, you'll get a fluffier, thicker pancake. I prefer them thin, kind of like a crepe. Let's add a little bit more Ripple. Now let's dissolve this excess milk. Mix it well. And you see, this is the consistency you want if you want flatter, thinner pancakes. Now let's warm up the old frying pan. This frying pan looks like it's been through a battle. Now we're gonna use Earth Balance vegan butter. You can use those spray oils, but I don't have that. Put a little bit over the heated frying pan. You wanna put very little. Now let's pour some of the batter. I don't know about you, but usually my first pancake usually come out all deformed. Let's see how this one comes out. Here we go. Came out pretty good. So far this one looks pretty good. Looks pretty decent. Now you see, there's no reason to use any egg substitute of any sort in order to make pancakes. Oh no, I broke this one. When I flip it, I like to add a little bit of butter, then later on some cinnamon and syrup. Now you eat this just like you eat any other pancake. You do butter and syrup. You could add fruits like these. These are pancakes. These are not pancake substitutes. Just look at that. Who wouldn't want these pancakes? Now you could make it savory as well. Use the unsweetened milk and don't add any sugar, or maybe a little bit of sugar. You can fill it with anything. Collard greens, stir-fried vegetables, but throw in some cinnamon and syrup and eat it just like that.